You asked and we answered. The new Alpha 5 Pro lithium battery is finally here. This is our brand new 51.2 volt lithium battery, the Alpha 5 Pro. This battery has many key features that our customers have been requesting, including a 16 cell battery capacity for more watt hours, an easy on and off button located in the front, and a brand new touchscreen interface. The Alpha 5 Pro also includes real-time parallel battery monitoring. Along with brand new carrying handles, the Alpha 5 Pro is UL certified for professional use. Now that we've gone over all the key features, let's go unbox a brand new battery and set them up. All our Alpha 5 Pros come in crates just like this. It's pretty heavy, so we recommend at least 2 people lift it. In order to open this up, we'll need a flathead screwdriver and a hammer. On each side of the crate, there are these 3 tabs. The easiest way to get these tabs off is to hook the hammer underneath the frame of the lid or underneath one of the tabs. Insert your flathead screwdriver in the little hole and pry it up. And then hammer the tab all the way up. Another easy way to open the tabs is to insert your hammer at the bottom, pry it up a little bit, and then insert your screwdriver underneath and lift it up that way. And then use your hammer to hammer it back up. Now that we got all the tabs up, we just need to hammer each corner from the bottom. There you go. All Alpha 5 Pros come triple insulated with foam, cardboard, and more foam. Included in each box is a bag with the necessary communication cables, a pair of battery parallel cables, extra ground screws and a ground cable, as well as an enclosed instruction booklet. And of course, the battery itself. Once again, we recommend at least 2 people lifting this out. So here's the Alpha 5 Pro right out of the box with all of its accessories. Now let's grab 2 more and show you how to run them in parallel. Here we have 3 Alpha 5 Pro batteries all stacked together. Now to wire these in parallel, all we need are 2 sets of the parallel power cables and 2 of the parallel network cables. So now we're going to hook up the positive side first. Plug in one end of the cable to the bottom of the first battery and the top of the second battery. And then do the same thing for the bottom of the second battery and the top of the third battery. Plug the first cable into the bottom of the top battery and the top of the second battery. And then repeat on the bottom of the second battery and the top of the third battery. Finally, we just need to plug in the communication cables. We'll put it in the second RS485 port on the first battery and the first RS485 port on the second battery, and repeat that for the second battery and the third. Finally, we have to set the address switches. So for the first battery, we'll flip up the first switch, and for the second battery, we'll flip up the second address switch. And finally, for battery number 3, instead of flipping the third dip switch, we'll be flipping the first and second dip switch. For additional switch positions past battery 3, please refer to page 13 of the instruction manual. All right, now that we got it all hooked up, let's turn them all on. Now we have all of our batteries turned on, let's focus on the top screen. So here we have the main menu, and if you tap on this top icon right here, you'll have access to our new feature, the Parallel Battery Monitoring System, where you can monitor the status of all of your batteries from the top one. And there you have it, that's our new Alpha 5 Pro lithium battery, available at richsolar.com. If you have any questions about our products, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email, and have a solar day.